Hi folks, Klaus here from Guitar Habits. I thought it would be nice to do a video in the sun here outside. It's almost springtime, so and I have a gig in a small gig, a birthday in some restaurant here, and so I was a little bit in a hurry to pack my bags, my guitars and stuff, and so I thought it would be nice to do it outside here. Okay, a nice blues lick. I really like this one. Okay, here we go. Oh, sorry. One moment. Okay. Let's do a close-up. Come a bit closer to you so you can really see what I'm doing here. So we got a 4th finger on the 8th fret high E string, 3rd finger on the B string 7th fret, 1st finger on the G string 5th fret. So we got, okay, that's the first part. Then second part is 1st finger B string 5th fret, 1st finger G string 5th fret, and 3rd finger on the D string 7th fret. And what I do is I roll this finger from the B right over to the G. You can also just put it like flat like that on both G and B string, but I like to roll it like, and then D string 7th fret. So we got first part and the second part. So make sure you got that. And then the third part, really nice. It's all still pentatonic where we go from here. It looks like something else, but like this. So these notes, here we go. 3rd finger on the D string, 10th fret, 2nd finger G string, 9th fret, 1st finger B string, 8th fret. And then we move over, we do it exact same, but the other way around. So we go 10 on the B string, 11 on the G string, 12 on the D string. Okay, we got and all these notes, I think, like these, you're here in the pentatonic scale, and we got oh, here's the 6. So we got one added 6. That's here. That's that added 6. That's really, really nice. And then we finish off with 3rd finger on the B string, 13th fret. I put my 2nd finger right behind it on the B string, 12th fret, to support that 3rd finger while I'm bending that up. And I got my 1st finger here on the 10th fret. So bend up, hit that string on the 13th fret, bend up, it's a half step, and then hop, we got that finger right there on the on the 10th fret B string, and a little vibrato on the end. Put a vibrato everywhere, like everywhere there's a rest you want the guitar to sing. Oh yeah, another bend up. There's bend up, 10th fret, and another bend up on the 13th fret B string. So bend up, 10, and back to the bend up. Here we go again, slowly. And about the picking, I tend to go with my pick in the direction of the second note. So sometimes there are more techniques to this. You can use alternate picking, like just down, up, down, up, down, up with every note. So you go first note, up, in this case up because you're coming from here, up and down, up. And but for this I like to play in the direction of the note that follows. So you go up because the second note is on top of that, up and then down. And the third note is down because the following note is underneath it. So you go in you play in the direction of the note that follows. So I go up, up, down, up, up, down. And now I go for this part, down, down, up. And now up, up, down, 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 up. But sometimes I don't even know what I'm doing, so it's hard to guess. It also, there's no law for how you have to pick. There are a million ways. Sometimes I do alternate picking because it suits me right in that particular lick, and sometimes I play in the direction of the note that follows. So don't hang up on this too much. Just also do what feels comfortable. Oh, really love that. Okay, see you later, guys. Bye.